The sweet life of owning a small boat around the boat ramps. It doesn't get much easier than this. I mean, basically, our crew, you're gonna watch, they can probably just manhandle this thing right up onto the trailer, no power needed. I mean, check my man out, basically two-fingering this thing, trying to drag it up. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting Black Point. But our crew right here is not going to have a whole lot of trouble, kind of what we expect out of a small boat like this, but I'm expecting some of our larger vessels today to have a little more troubles than this. And here comes Cap making his approach on the dock with his Roba. Yeah, I'm guessing that's a Robalo, and he's hit the dock so many times the stickers are gone. But crew's coming in. Angle's okay, but he's coming in a little hot. And he's not slowing down either. He's got to be careful. He's going to run this thing straight up the ramp. Somebody needs to get off of the line. Somebody finally does. And my man's almost getting straight drug into the water. Cap still must be on the power or something. My man almost took a face plant. But this boat is almost all the way up on the concrete now. I mean, they've gone past the wood of the dock. And they're up by the concrete portion. I wonder if they went up the ramp. It's tough to tell from this angle. But man, that was really close. I thought my guy who jumped off of these lines, when he did that first tug and got pulled across, I thought he was going down. But fortunately, Cap finally puts it into neutral. My man's able to get the brakes put on this, and they're good to go. Our crew's coming in on approach. 3 fenders out. One of the most prepped crews of the day. They get the gold badge. And not a bad angle. Everything looks okay so far. Cap put it in reverse though. Stern's kicking in. Bow's kicking out. Wifey's going to have to do the push off the pole. And Cap's going to... Ooh, careful. I can't tell. He might have ran across that gunnel with the bottom of the dock. But he's going to have to back all the way out on this one. They looked solid. I thought he had it, but our guy in the bow just decided he wasn't going to go for the leap. And Cap accidentally kind of just was going the wrong direction. I'm really not sure what Cap's doing here now. Is he going to switch the dock he's approaching on? I mean, you've got all the fenders and everything set up, bro, for that side. Whoa, careful with the throttle. And we are moving docks. Coming in hot. Gonna have to brake check it. But once again, the fenders are all on this side. I'm not sure what Cap's doing. I think Cap's letting frustration set in. So Cap's gonna have to pull back out and try and reset this all up one more time. And I mean, this is not a good approach angle. Gonna have to give some slack on the line, my man in the bow. Let Cap come out a little bit, and then pull the bow in toward you. And there we go. We're getting out and around now. And finally, our crew might get this thing vertical onto the dock. There we go, we're walking it up. Triple fenders right side. Well, correct side of the boat to the dock. And our crew's gonna be good to go. A little excitement there for a few moments though. Cap definitely showed some signs of frustration in that attempt. Our crew's making their way in. Cap taking the slow roll approach. Good idea around here. A little bit of wind and current today, though. Kind of moving left to right across the screen. So we're going heavy bow in, which he needs to do. Oh, quick brake check before he gets there. Stern kind of breaks free, and now his angle is way off. So Cap is going to make another attempt at this. Now he's coming in at a very strange angle, so I don't think he's going to attempt this one. I think he's deciding he's going to try and switch docks. But he's going to have to contend with traffic. There's boats coming in here. Bro, you're going to have to swing this sharper or you're going to hit that dock. This is going to be super close. Oh, be careful. It looks like he barely misses the dock. And he's barely going to miss the boats. So he makes the U-turn somehow. I thought for sure he was going to clip that dock. They were so close to that. And he's going to try and reset it up. But he's got a towboat and a couple other boats lining up behind him now, which is definitely going to add to the pressure because not only are we watching, but there's a group of people behind him waiting for him to make his move so they can get on a dock as well. Question is, will anybody try and pass him if he doesn't make a move fast enough? I mean, same situation here. So we got Fenders out on the right side of the boat as we're staring at it on our right side. And they were trying to approach a dock on the left, which is a little strange. So our crews are moving finally to the correct side of the boat now, the same side the Fenders are out on. Here we go, we're going to make another attempt at this. Definitely complicated by the bimini top in the gunnel here. So our crew's having to work around that with the lines. And our girl's kind of holding on to it. Definitely not a point of balance I would want to hold on to too tightly because I'll tell you what, if you start to go, this thing's going with you. But here we go. Cap's not got a bad angle. Current should help him on this one a little bit. And Cap leaves the helm. So he's committing to the angle that he's got. Gonna bypass Junior here. Decide he's going for the dock, but the bow's kicking out. They're trying to grab it and hold it. Stern line's off. And they might be able to walk it up from there, but man, you gotta be careful when you leave the helm like that. You've got to make sure you're fully committed and in a spot you can really make a grab. That bow kicked out fast on them, and they kind of got lucky in that one, to be honest. But overall, they're on the dock, but not without a little excitement. And my man, no fenders, no lines, nobody really is trying to do anything to get this boat ready to roll. And he's coming in a slight bit hot. I'm assuming we're just going to play a little ping pong. Yep, 1 hit, 2 hit, a couple little smacks on the dock. And I'm surprised there's not a whole lot more scuffs on this boat. And of course, nobody's really trying to do anything now, but heck, they're on the dock and they're going to get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.